Okay, you're in Microsoft Excel and you want to do a SUMIF or a COUNTIF based on a fuzzy match or an approximate string match. Now what I want to do here is calculate the total cost and the count of works for these two properties. And over here I've got all the maintenance issues for the different properties under our management. Now the problem we're going to have is that, for example, Greenview Apartments has been typed in different ways within this list, and it's also the same for Lakeside Villas. Now to capture all those different versions of the property names, we're going to use regular expressions. Now if you haven't used regular expressions before, don't worry, because you can ask ChatGPT to create them for you. So for example, I went into ChatGPT and I asked it to create a regular expression to capture every conceivable way someone might type Greenview Apartments. Now that question kind of worked for me. It isn't necessarily going to work in your scenario. So you're going to have to play around with asking a question that relates to your specific scenario. Anyway, it came up with this regular expression that I can use within an Excel formula. Now I've got the two regular expressions that are going to work for these two properties over here. So my first step is going to be to copy the one for Greenview Apartments onto my clipboard. And the first function we're going to use is called REGEX test. Now the first argument is text. So that is the text that we're going to check whether it meets the pattern in our regular expression. Now actually what I'm going to do is select all of the property names so that the formula spells, comma, and then the pattern is the regular expression, and that needs to go in speech marks. Now the last argument is case sensitivity, and you can see it's non-mandatory, and I don't need to use that in this scenario. So I'm just going to close the bracket and press enter. So what you can do is you can see that it's spelling the results true and false. True if it's met the pattern, false if it hasn't. So you can see I get a true here, 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 and here. And those are all the different ways that people have typed in that property name. So what I can now do is use this test within the filter function. Now, the first argument within the filter function is array. So what values do I want to return? I want to return the costs, comma. Include has to be a logical test, and that's exactly what the REGEX test returns. Now, if I close the bracket at the end and press enter, it returns the costs associated with that property name. So we've got 124,883, 936 and 662. So what I now need to do is sum up those values by putting the whole formula within the sum function, and now I get the total cost. Now if I want a count of works, it's almost exactly the same formula, so I'll copy it. And I would just use count rather than sum. Now let's do the same for Lakeside Villas. So I'm going to copy this regular expression. Initially I use REGEX test. The text, the property names, comma. The pattern is the regular expression which needs to go in speech marks. Then I use the filter function. The array of the costs include uses the REGEX test function. Close the bracket at the end so I can sum those up. And if I want to do a count, then it's almost the same formula. Copy that, paste it in, and just change this sum to a count. Okay, that's all I wanted to cover in this particular video. Hopefully that's useful. If it is, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you next video.